Good morning all. I'm continuing my video lecture based upon database management system. Now I'm continuing the previous video. Relational model concepts in DBMS. Attributes. Each column in a table. Your attributes are the properties which define a relation's example, student, roll number, name, etc. If we are having a table, the attributes of the table is heading of the table name. Heading of the tables. In the relational model, the relations are saved in the table format. It is stored along with its entities. A table has two properties, rows and columns. Rows represented records and column represented attributes. Tuples. It is nothing but a single row of table which contains a single record. It is called a tuples. Relational schema. A relational schema represents the name of relations with its attributes. Degree. The total number of attributes which in the relation is called the degree of relation. Cardinality. Total number of rows represented in a table is called cardinality. Column means column represents a set of values of us for a specific attributes. Relational instance. Relational instance is a finite set of tuples in the RDBMS system. Relational instance never have duplicate tuples. Relational keys. Every row has one, two or more multiple attributes which is called a relational keys. Attribute domains. Every attribute has some predefined values and scopes which is known as attribute domain. And if we are having an example here, customer ID, customer name and status. Customer ID is a primary key. Customer name is a not null statement domain. Status. Each record is called as a tuples. Each number of rows is called as cardinality and also a tuples. The column is an degree. Relational integrity constraints. Relational integrity constraints in DBMS are referred to conditions which must be present in a valid relations. These relation constraints in DBMS are derived from the rules in the mini world that the database represents. There are many types of integrity constraints in database. Constraints on the relational database management system is most divided into three types. Domain constraints, key constraint, referential integrity constraints. Domain constraints. Domain constraint can be violated if any attribute values is not appearing in the corresponding domain or it is not of the appropriate data type. Domain constraints specify that within each tuples and the values of each attribute must be unique. This is specified as data type, which includes standard data type integers, real numbers, characters, booleans, variable length, strings, etc. Example: create domain customer name, check value not null. Example shown. Demonstrate creating a domain constraint such as customer name is not null. Key constraints. An attribute that can uniquely identify a tuple in a relation is called key of the table. The value of attributes from different tuples in the relations has been unique. In the given table, customer ID is a key attribute of customer table. It is most likely to have a single key for one customer. Customer ID is a one only. Yes, customer name equal to Google. Then referential integrity constraint in database management systems are based on the concepts of foreign keys. A foreign key is an important attribute of a relation which should be referred to in other relationship. Referential integrity constraint state happens when where relation refers to a key attributes for different or same relation. However, the key element must exist in the table. Example: if you are having a customer ID, customer name and status, 1 is a Google, 2 is an Amazon, 3 is an Apple. If you are having a customer, if you are going to building the customer ID, if you are having an invoice number 1, 2, 3 and customer ID is 1, if you are having an amount number 2, it is likewise the customer ID will be shown for the customer name. In the above example, two relation customer and billing, tuples of customer ID is equal to 1. The referential twice in the relation billing, so we know about the customer name equal to Google has billing amount $300. Operation in relational model. 4 basic update. Performance on the relational model. Insert is used to insert data in a relations. Delete tuples from a table. Modify allows you to change the sum of the attributes in the existing tuples. Select using for a specific range of data. Whenever one of the relations Insert option operation gives the values to the we're having a table like three customer names. We are going to insert a new tuples here. Update. We're having an in a third customer in inactive. It will be update at an active. We need to delete the fourth customer name. We're easily deleting the operations. If you're going to select number 2, it will be select by the select command. Having and simplicity, structural independence, easy to use, query capabilities, data independence, scalability. These are the advantages in relational database model. And then few relations have limits and field length that cannot be exceeded. Sometimes become complex as an amount of data grows. This is the disadvantage in the data relation.